Hello, guys! Welcome after almost a year. This journey has been awesome and we thought to continue it. So, today's topic will be about the mysteries of the pyramids. Hope you all will enjoy it. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more knowledgeable videos like this. As usual, welcome to our vision. So, not like the previous way, we found a new way of explanation. From now onwards, we will discuss according to points. The only important points will be taken. Introduction. So, what is pyramid? This question already have thousands of mysteries inside it. So, a monumental structure with a square or a triangle base with slopy side is called pyramid. But it is a definition of the structure. So, pyramids were built for religious purposes. The Egyptians were one of the first civilizations to believe in an afterlife. They believed that a second self called the Ka lived within every human being. When the physical body expired, the Ka enjoyed the eternal life. Locations of pyramids. Pyramids are located mainly in Egypt, Sudan, Italy, Mexico, Cambodia, and Giza. The tourists all around the world come to visit these ancient tombs, but they only see the outer portion. Let me dive into the inner part of such tombs. The pharaoh's final resting place were usually within a subterranean burial chamber underneath the pyramids. They were never completed, and Khufu's sarcophagus rests in this king's chamber, where Napoleon is said to have sojourned deep inside the pyramid. Now, let me tell you some facts about those pyramids. The pyramids were built by paid workers, not slaves. The bricks used to weigh more than an elephant, such a heavy weight. The Sphinx was built to protect those pyramids. The pyramids are aligned to the north. As I said, they were built to escort pharaohs into the afterlife. While the Sphinx was meant to protect the dead pharaohs from spiritual disturbances as they transit to God, the curse of Pharaoh is said to have offered protection of the pyramids as well as inside of it. Now the main question arises, what is a pharaoh? So if you're willing to know, don't skip the video and please share the video as much as possible. So basically, pharaohs means a new leader from a new place. Now let me give you a clear statement. The pyramids were built for the kings and pharaohs to preserve their body in a shroud as the Egyptian believe in afterlife, and the Sphinx was built to protect the souls. These all are done by the new kings as these were their rituals from ages. Now, what is mummy? Is there something like mummy? Let's find out. The preserved body of king with a sacred cloth is called mummy. Some modern day people consider mummy as a category of ghost, but it is true that some people working in pyramids saw the dead walking. But this is just a fact, not a truth, as there is no such scientific evidence. One more question arises that how they build the mighty tombs than ancient time. Some people also believe that some alien technology supported them and the Egyptians could communicate to the aliens. Let me clear you. How the pyramids were built. Researchers in Egypt discovered a 4,500-year-old ramp system used to build whole alabaster stones out of the quarry, and reports have suggested that it could provide clues to how they built the pyramids. For more details, I will provide a link in the description. You can always go through it. The ramp was also made by the pharaoh Khufu, who made the Great Pyramids of Giza. So there is no alien technology or mummy or a ghost. So, what is a afterlife? A afterlife is a life after death, basically, which was only believed by the Egyptians. The dead bodies of those kings are preserved in the pyramids till date. They also believe that when a man dies, he begins a new journey of life. So, hope you guys all enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Wait for the next video. Till then, let the life find its own way. And sayonara, signing off.